Welcome to Instant Author, Jeffrey here. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of generating a powerful sales page for your book. Our AI-powered system uses proven sales copy templates to help you create compelling content that converts. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the outline of the book for which you want to create a sales page. This is where all your book's details and content are organized. Once you're inside the book's outline, look for the Generate Sales Page button. Click on it to start the process. Now it's time to provide some key details about your book. Let's walk through each section. First, the system will automatically suggest a template based on your book's genre, fiction or nonfiction. If no specific template is found, a core template will be used. Next, enter your book's description. This is your chance to hook potential readers with a brief summary that outlines what your book is about. Define your target audience. Who should read your book? Be specific about who will benefit most from your content. You can optionally add the price of your book, if applicable. This helps the system tailor the offer section more effectively. List the key benefits readers will gain from your book. You can add multiple points, one per line. This highlights the value of your book to potential buyers. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click the Generate Sales Page button. The AI will create your sales page based on the information you've provided. The AI will generate a compelling sales page that follows a proven structure. Here's what you can expect from the content. Problem: identifies the reader's pain points or desires. Solution: presents your book as the answer. Credibility: establishes your authority and expertise. Benefits: highlights the key benefits readers will gain. Social proof: includes testimonials or success stories. Offer: presents your book's value proposition. Guarantee: addresses potential concerns. Urgency: creates a reason to act now. Call to action: guides readers to purchase your book. Once you're satisfied with the generated sales page, click Download DOCX to save the sales page as a Word document. This format is perfect for easy editing and sharing. And that's it. You've successfully created a persuasive sales page for your book. The system's templates are designed to help you maximize your book's appeal and increase conversions. Start editing or share your sales page today.